Jamaica's public health system has received a major boost through the donation of critical medical equipment valued at 48.7 million Jamaican dollars, with the equivalent of 314,000 United States dollars from Jamaican-born philanthropist Carol Picart, now residing in Canada. The items, contributed in collaboration with the National Healthcare Enhancement Foundation, an agency under the Ministry of Health and Wellness, include diagnostic equipment, ventilators, and machines to provide life-saving support for sick and premature newborns.
Thank you very much
Amen.
for what you've done. This is a young teenager who is critically ill. She's been with us for some time, and your donation was put into use immediately. She's currently comatose, and in that state, we need to help support her breathing. So the ventilator is actually assisting her to breathe until she recovers from her primary illness.
So with me today is Carol Picart, or humanitarian from Jamaica, Jamaican born, and she lives in Canada. However, Carol has been doing a lot of work internationally and of course in Jamaica. Approximately $50 million worth of donations made in equipment to 3 major hospitals: Kingston Public Hospital, Cornwall Regional Hospital, and the Black River Hospital. Carol, thank you very much for this well-needed contribution and support to our major hospitals.
Thank you. Thank you. I think it's just a wonderful pleasure to be back home and being able to participate in partnering to give some life-sustainable equipment. We've saw how it's being used and to maintain life. And I think the whole idea is to give quality of life back in the region. So here I go.
Read more at JamaicaLiveNews.com.
Jamaica Live, your trusted news source, both locally and internationally. Please like, share, comment, and contribute to the conversation. Support independent media. Your donations are not just appreciated, they are essential to keeping Jamaica Live alive and thriving. Join us in making a difference. Donate today. Scan the QR code on our website or donate via PayPal to JamaicaLiveTVnews@gmail.com.